Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Velo especially has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005, which especially is genuinely critical. Velo's EMA10 essentially shows an all things considered descending pattern, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, or so they for the most part thought. 13 July 2023. In this article, we will sort of walk you through Velo cost examination for now, or for sort of the following week, and especially attempt to answer these habitually sort of gotten clarification on some things, facts, what basically is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for Velo, by and large is Velo an especially wise interest in an especially enormous manner, Velo support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they generally thought. However, prior to plunging especially profound into the Velo specialized examination, in every way that really matters, let us for the most part discuss the essentially current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1,190,985,483,416, which sort of is genuinely huge. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $31,315,169,849. So yet prior to plunging sort of profound into the Velo specialized investigation, explicitly let us sort of discuss the truly current economic situations, or so they basically thought. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33% in an exceptionally enormous manner, which essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,584.92 level after a decay of 0.29%. Which in a real sense is very huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value reduction of 0.24%, coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours, or so they most certainly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time period, which for the most part shows that the complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $31,315,169,849. So yet prior to plunging truly profound into the Velo specialized examination in every practical sense, let us really discuss the ongoing economic situations, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is up by 0.1. and as of now exchanging at 47 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in every practical sense. Further appearance how market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there essentially was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $1,190,985,483,416 in an especially significant manner. These occasions really show that the market generally is going in every practical sense, descending bearing for sort of transient in an unpretentious manner. Right now, and in every practical sense, general especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33%, which truly is genuinely critical. Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish commonly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in a genuinely enormous way. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become sort of more kind of dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which vendors basically move commonly dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in a real sense shows that market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,190,985,483,416 in a for the most part huge manner. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution, as per value examination market record. Velo, especially is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743. So Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. However, Velo has a value decline of 5.82% in the very last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with an all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars, exhibiting how following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution as per value examination market file. Velo essentially is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743. So Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in a sort of enormous way. Velo value examination Velo cost investigation for 13 July 2023. Inside a sort of everyday time span, essentially made sense of beneath, fundamentally further appearance. How Velo's EMA10, by and large shows a truly descending pattern, which especially is genuinely critical. We utilize especially relative strength INDEX RSI, moving pretty normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including really straightforward moving extremely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving fundamentally normal, EMA to especially break down the future development of the Velo. So however Velo in a real sense has a value decline of 5.82% in the especially last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week with an especially complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars, exhibiting how following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution as per value examination market file. Velo sort of is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743. So Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which basically is very critical. The truly relative strength list RSI shows that the Velo coin fundamentally is an oversold stage, as RSI for the most part is at 30, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Velo United States dollar moving genuinely normal union and disparity, MACD, marker, certainly is showing a present moment generally sell exceptionally signal, as the MACD line truly is moving